Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to record a quick in-depth review about this IT management solution, which is Pulseway. So let's dive into it. The Pulseway is a powerful IT management platform that lets you monitor and manage servers, workstation and network from anywhere via your desktop or mobile. Its standout features include the real-time monitoring, remote control, automated patch management, and a customizable dashboard. The pros include the quick setup, strong mobile capabilities, and the effective alerting and automation for IT teams. On the downside, some advanced features can be complex for beginners, and pricing can get higher for larger infrastructures. Report options are somewhat basic and the interface may feel cluttered for new users. So overall, the Pulseway is great for IT teams that need a remote monitoring and management, but smaller teams or those seeking simpler tools may find it more than they need. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.